So, you're interested in dropping some weight, but you are starting to start tomorrow loop. The loop when you're saying that I will start tomorrow, I'm for sure starting tomorrow, and you end up overeating in hopes that tomorrow will be different. If that is the case, then stick, because by the end of this video, I'm going to be breaking the psychological and nutritional tricks behind weight loss. Hello everyone, today we're going to be talking about weight loss and my personal weight loss journey. So at first, losing 30 pounds in just 3 months may sound impossible, but if I did it, so can you. So in May 2022, I was the most I have ever weighted in my entire life, and that was around 175 pounds or 80 kilograms. But just 3 months after that, in August of 2022, I have gone to 65 kilograms or 145 pounds. So the first step that you need to take in your weight loss journey is that you need to change your mindset if you want to lose weight. Losing weight isn't just about shedding pounds. It's all about gaining a new healthier lifestyle. It's an opportunity to nourish your body with good food and exercise, to feel more energetic, confident, and comfortable with your own body. Consider it as a journey, self-care, and well-being. Small but consistent changes can lead to significant transformations, not just in your body, but to overall quality of life. Step 2 in your weight loss journey is to be setting small mini weekly goals. Setting mini weekly goals is an excellent way to approach weight loss journey. Rather than focusing solely on the end result, break it into small, achievable milestones that can make the journey more manageable and more motivating. These goals could include hitting a certain number of steps per day, trying a new healthy recipe, or aiming to increase your vegetable intake. By accomplishing these smaller goals consistently, you build momentum and confidence, making the larger goal of weight loss feel more attainable. Step 3 is nutrition. The right nutrition is crucial when aiming for weight loss. It's about nourishing your body with balanced diet and whole foods. Focus on plenty of fruit, vegetables, lean protein, whole grains, and healthy fat. Portion control also plays a significant role in losing weight, so you need to pay attention to your portion sizes. Hydration is key too, and water helps regulate the appetite and supports overall health. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about providing your body with essential nutrients it needs to thrive while aiming for weight loss. Step 4 is going to be exercising. Exercise is crucial for overall health, especially during weight loss journeys. It's not just about burning calories. Exercise boosts metabolism, helping the body burn fat more efficiently. Physical activity also helps with muscle development, which is essential for boosting your metabolism. Beyond weight management, exercise improves cardiovascular health, increases energy levels, and enhances mood by releasing feel-good endorphins. It's a cornerstone for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. It plays a vital role in both physical and mental well-being. Step 5 is consistency and patience. Consistency and patience are the guiding stars in the realm of weight loss. Consistency breeds habits. It's the daily commitment to healthy choices that molds lasting change. Patience, on the other hand, is the art of understanding that the results take time. Losing 30 pounds requires a dedication. But remember, it's not just about the numbers on the scale. It's about feeling healthier, stronger, and confident in your own skin. You got this. Guys, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know. Guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I'm seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.